to tell you all about the importance of teamwork, which plays a vital role in many organizations. So before starting our video, let me tell you all some interesting words about teamwork. Individual commitment to a group effort, that is what makes a team work, a society work, a civilization work, and a company work. So by this, we can understand that individuality counts, but teamwork dynamites. Even in the business environments, the great things are never done by only one person. It is done by a team of people. For instance, let us take our HCL as an example. It was started on 11th August 1976 by Mr. Shiv Naidu along with his team members, which includes Mr. Arjun Malhotra, Mr. Ajay Chaudhary, Mr. D.S. Puri, Mr. Yogesh Vaidya, and Mr. Subhash Arora. Because of this teamwork, which includes a lot of hard work, today HCL stands as third largest IT service company in India. So friends, I would like to finally tell you all that we must all collaborate with each other in order to solve many complex problems.
Teamwork. It begins by building trust, and the only way to do that is to overcome our need for invulnerability. Now, let us discuss how one-year training happened to train and accustom the teamwork, and also what are the activities conducted by our company in order to improve our skills and also to move forward in our career. We know that all the students are not the same. Every person may not be expressive. In order to overcome that, here mainly they focused on soft skills and technical skills, which make everyone independent.
Hello friends, I want to say the importance of group discussion. Group discussion is a platform where we can share our views with others and we can solve our problems and we can know about each other. And also the group discussion is the where people are being recruited. I can give a small example. Football is a game where every team player aim is for only for goal, as in the same of a group discussion. So these all are the tips being given by our trainers in our TechBig course. So we can reach a higher step in this HCL TechBig course.
Hello everyone, I am Sushmita. When we sit down, the whole world races upon us irrelevantly. So, one of the best part of my CRT is speaking out. One of the most prominent tools in tech business is arguing, which is a mandatory task. A structured argument is known as debate. We have undergone many of these debates in our daily communication tasks. People are made to give reasons and cite evidences in support of their idea, action, theory, or persuading others to share one's view. Here, in an argument, we have two teams. This everyone to be coherent. We argue for a point leads us to the victory. It built us into a full-fledged person for the IT environment.
Hi everyone, I am Lokesh from TechBee Bhimaram. I want to say about debate. Debate is one of my favorite tasks which let us see any idea in multiple angles. When an idea is to be executed through a debate, we can bring out all the pros and cons of the idea. There will be two branches, one who speak for the idea and the other who speak against the idea. The main is a team which speak against the idea. They bring out all the negatives of that idea so that by identifying all those negatives, we can solve them. At each and every step of a debate, we need a perfect team. Participating in debate, the team members should have a great coordination among them. In this way, teamwork in it.
And role plays. We did so many role plays in our CRT program. As I mentioned, role plays takes place between two or more people who act out roles to explore a particular scenario. And by these role plays, we learn so many new aspects. Firstly, how to speak with higher authorities and colleagues. And secondly, to improve communication between team members. And thirdly, to face difficult situations in a difficult manner. And finally, we build up with experience and self-confidence. And we acquire so many good behavior skills. We learned all these things by our trainers and colleagues.
Hi, I'm Geetika, scholar of TechBee Bhimaram. Today's companies and organizations often utilize presentations for presenting their new ideas. During the period of our CRT, we have learned how to communicate with confidence to capture audience's attention, stimulating creativity in our presentations. Doing these presentations as a team had made us to be more coordinative and build trust between each other. These made us realize that teamwork is one of the best methods to address problems in a workplace. This period of training made me understand the importance of teamwork. We strongly believe that teamwork makes the dreams work.
I am Sai Teja and I am a scholar of TechB Bhimavaram. In addition to our curricular activities like role plays, debates, group discussions, HCL also encourages us to participate in cultural activities like singing, dancing and much more. HCL also allows us to celebrate festivals. Recently we celebrated 2020 New Year grandly with lots of cultural activities like singing, dancing and many. HCL conducted an art contest on the eve of Mother's Day. Many of our artists from HCL have given their best in that contest. And HCL sent a mail to every scholar of TechB on this May 29 regarding a contest called Maskathon. Hope many will participate in this contest too. Thank you.
Hi all, I am Priyanka.
I'm Charan.
These are the things which are learned in our training regarding soft skills.
Coming to technical things, we learned some of the programming languages by apps people and some of the hardware kind of things by infra people. These things were taught to us by highly professional trainers and project managers with the help of practical learning.
Both technical and communication are learned in a practical manner which are helped in our career.
We have a popular saying by Helen Keller, alone we can do so little, together we can do so much.
Yeah, it is perfectly working with the corporate world to develop our company.
By all the mentioned things above, we can grow individually.
Hard work and job skills.
Individually, we are one drop. Together, we are an ocean.
Similarly, each TechB is a one drop and they combine together and become a big ocean named HCL.
Finally, coming together is beginning, keeping together is progress, and working together is success.
Here is the best example for teamwork done by our team.